Good evening and welcome to the Yellowhead Center in Neepawa, Manitoba, where the Neepawa Titans are playing the OCN Blizzard tonight for the second night in a row. Another face-off in the Blizzard zone. Titans have control. Shot right at Bukovsky. He deflects that. And now the Titans still have the puck. And another shot doesn't get through. Now behind the net, Titans have it once more, and Bukovsky stops that as well. And Blizzard come up with it, send it deep, and Brust has it and passes it behind his own net, and the pass is missed, and another shot. The Blizzard weren't able to get off a shot in front of the Titans net. And the Blizzard score after some scrambling in the Titan zone. Michael Chuck had it for a second, and it gets sent out into the neutral zone. Now Hyatt brings it back in, and Titans still controlling. Hyatt has the puck in front of the net.
Oh, he did get it.
And they score! The first goal for the Neepawa Titans with 50 seconds remaining in the first period. And it'll go to number 9, Rylan Goodnesson. Then up for Brust, then into the Blizzard zone. The Titans keep it in, send it deep. Hyatt to Corman, to Mitch Thiessen behind the net. Then up to Hyatt, then to Brust, then to Goodnesson, then to Thiessen. Tries to stuff it in, but Bukovsky has it. So 5-on-3 here. Oh, and they hit the post, but Wilton keeps it in the zone. And
good shot.
the point with a good shot, blocked by Bukovsky, up to Smith. Then Thiessen. Then that didn't quite connect. Now the point again. Shot, that was blocked. Then to Trimble. The point behind the net. And Romanek gets the puck up to Wilton. And
there it is.
And they score!
Well, they certainly had a lot of control there, a lot of passing control. It went around the horn 2 or 3 times, and finally Smith ends up with the shot, right?
Yep, it'll be number 5, Camden Smith. And now face off to the... well, that's close. Bukovsky scrambling to keep that out, and now the Titans still have it. Looking for the shot. Poirier couldn't quite get it, and Sinclair back to get it behind his own net. And up ice quickly. Blizzard still have it. That's shot wide of the net. An attempt. And they score.
2 golden opportunities there. He missed the net both times, and then the backhander found the back of the net.
And puck sent back into the Blizzard zone. And the Titans keep it in, send it deep, and it looks. Now we have a fight between Briggs Jowett and I didn't quite see the Neepawa player.
No, something certainly happened there. They weren't too happy with each other. Well, that's
Braden Michael Chuck. Smith, and he'll come up the ice. Up the right side, through everybody. And Bukovsky sprawls out to make the stop. Now back for Brust in the Titan zone. And back up to the neutral zone is Hyatt. Then a pass across the ice to Corman, who can't quite handle it. Now to Mitch Thiessen, then up to the point for Brust, and then another deflection, and they score!
So Noonan tipped it in finally, eh? Noonan.
That'll be number 20, Parker Corman. And to watch that doesn't bounce over it.
He looked a little shaky there, didn't he? I wonder he didn't play that well.
And now the Blizzard are back in the Titan zone. Looking for a shot.
Oh, nice
and they score.
Nice fake. Nice fake. He faked that and then let the shot go.
Will Hyatt will take the face off. And that's sent all the way back down the ice. And and a good opportunity for Hyatt. That was deflected high. And the Blizzard get the puck out of the zone. Yeah. And that'll be the end of regulation. And Blizzard have the puck, can't quite control it. Kurbatov makes one last shot. That's saved by Demers, and it looks like we'll be going to a shootout.
So Kachowski's 3 for 3. Can Demers do the same?
And for the Blizzard, number 9, Bryden Sinclair.
He wins it. So OCN will go ahead home happy, tied for 5th place with the Neepawa Titans, each of them with 13 points.